Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to measure heart rate with your POCO X6 Pro. Amazing, right? So let's start. We're gonna go to the settings, the gear icon, and we're gonna need to go to the very end of the menu to the additional settings. I'm already here, so I'm just stepping here. And we're going to the heart rate section. Again, a little bit down. So we're here. And what we're gonna need to do right here, we're gonna put our fingerprint, like our fingers, on this fingerprint icon. And also we're gonna need to wait 15 seconds to the measurement. And for the first time, you may receive notification about allowing your phone use your fingerprints. So our measurement is complete, and here you can see my heart rate beat, 58 per minute, and also you will have a record of the date and the time. So if you would like to repeat this measurement, you just need to press done and press again on a heart rate and just repeat what I've showed you before. So just put your finger on the scan and it will be done in 15 seconds. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.